So number 10 is saying the equation of a circle is x minus 3 squared plus y squared equals 18. The line with the equation y equals mx plus c passes through the point 0 minus 9 and is a tangent to the circle. Find the two possible values of m, and for each value of m, find the coordinates of the point at which the tangent touches the circle. Alright, so we have a circle with center 3, 0. So our center is at 3, 0. And we have two tangents, right, that both pass through the point 0 minus 9. And as you can see, these two lines have different gradients. That's why we're being asked to find two possible values of m, right? One for this one, which we can call m1, and the second one for this one, which we'll call m2, right? And the line is equation y equals mx plus c, right? So we can use y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1, right? Want to try and get the equation of one of these lines. So using this x and y coordinates 0 and minus 9, we say y minus 9 is equals to m, which we are to find, x minus the x1, which is 0 there. So this will be y is equals to mx. This will be plus, so it will be minus 9, right? This is the general equation for these two lines, right? With the respective values of m that we can fit in here, we'll get the equation for this line and this line, which are both tangents to the circle passing through 0 and minus 9. So we are going to substitute mx minus 9 for y, since y is equals to mx minus 9. So we're going to substitute it in here in the equation of a circle. So we have x minus 3 squared plus y squared is equals to 18. Substituting mx minus 9 for y, it will be x minus 3 squared plus mx minus 9 squared is equals to 18. Right, and we're going to expand this one and this one right here, and we equate to 18. And so expanding x minus 3 squared, we get x squared minus 6x plus 9, and expanding mx minus 9, we get m squared x squared minus 18 mx plus 81, and all this is equals to 18, right? So we're going to collect like terms. That will be x squared plus m squared x squared, then minus 18 mx minus 6x plus 9 plus 81, that's 90. That will be 90 minus 18 to give us 72 is equals to 0, like this. Then we're going to factor out x squared here, so that will be m squared plus 1, right? Then here we're going to factor out x, that will be minus 18 m minus 6 plus 72 is equals to 0. And since the question said these lines are tangents, we're going to say b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0, right? And our b is minus 18 m minus 6, and we're going to square it, minus 4, our a, m squared plus 1, and our c, 72, like so. And expanding this, we get 324 m squared plus 216 m. Then we're going to say plus 36 minus this 4 times 72, multiplying everything inside the bracket. That will give us minus 288 m squared minus 288. When we say 72 times 4 times 1, we get times minus 4, we get minus 288, and all this is equals to 0. Alright, with this now we say 324 minus 288, we get 36 m squared, right? My plus 216 m minus 252. That's from 36 minus 288 will give us minus 252 equals to 0. If we divide everything by 36, we'll get m squared plus 6m minus 7 equaling to 0, right? And if we use our quadratic formula, m will be minus b, which is minus 6, plus or minus root of b squared, which is 6 squared, which gives us 36 minus 4. A is 1 and c is minus 7 over 2a, like this. And our a is 1, so it's over 2. Then if we punch this in our calculators, we get we get m equals 1 or minus 7, and these are the two values of m that we've been asked to calculate. So for us to now get the coordinates of the point at which the tangent touches the circle, we are going to use this expression right here, this one, and we're going to substitute each one of these values. So substituting 1, we will get 2, because that will be 1 squared plus 1, so it will be 2x squared. Then for the second part, that will be minus 18 minus 6, that will be minus 24 plus minus 24x plus 72, right? And for the other one, substituting minus 7 plus 1, that's minus 7 squared, that's 49 plus 1, that's 50, so we get 50 x squared. Then minus 18 times minus 7, minus 6, that's plus 120 x plus 72. Right, these are the two equations that we get. And if we use the quadratic formula for this one to say 24 plus or minus root of 24 squared minus 4a, which is 2, and c 72 over 2 times 2, we get x as 6, right? And if we do the same here, that's minus 120 plus root of 120 squared minus 4a 50, c is 72 over 2 times 50, which is 100. We get x as minus 6 over 5, right? So these are the x values, and for us to get the y values, remember using this equation, y equals mx minus 9, right? If we substitute the value for m, it will be y is equals to m, it will be y is equals to x minus 9, and y is equals to minus 7x minus 9, right? So we got this one by saying m is 1. So we're going to use the first equation right here, y equals x minus 9, and 6 minus 9 will give us minus 3, so it will be 6 minus 3, and that will be the point. And for this one, where x is equals to minus 6 over 5, we're going to say minus 7 multiplied by minus 6 over 5 minus 9, and we get y equals minus 3 over 5. So this point will be minus 6 over 5, 6 over 5, then minus 3 over 5. And those are the coordinates at which these two tangents touch the circle. And that's it for number 10. Then you get your 8 marks.